How to fix your Windows system is too outdated error in Roblox. For this first step, click settings, click Windows Update, check for updates, download and install all available updates, and make your Windows up to date. Once complete after close it and come to next step, reinstall Roblox. For this first, you need to click settings, click app settings, scroll down and search for Roblox, click the three dot icon in the right hand side and click uninstall. Once uninstall after, search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder, click it and delete it. After deleting, close it and come to next step. Go to the official website of the Roblox, download and install the latest version. After installation, after you need to click settings, click Windows Update, scroll down and click Advanced option and click Optional Update. Download and install the all the drivers updates and any pending updates. After close it and come to next step, search for command prompt, click Run as administrative and type the following text sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some times because it's actually verifying your files in your drive. If there is any corrupted file having means it will verify and shows you. You have seen if there is no corrupted file available. After that you need to exit it and last and final step search for services. Click it, scroll down and search for Windows Update. Right click, click Properties and the startup type it should be in automatic or manual. It's no problem, but the service status should be in running mode. Make sure it click OK. After that restart.